अस्सलाम वालेकुम मदर्स, क्या हाल चाल है आपका? मैं बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक हूँ। अच्छा, प्रीवियस वीडियो में हमने एडिशन टॉपिक स्टार्ट किया था, तो लेट्स हैव अ क्विक रिव्यू ऑफ एडिशन, देन वी विल बिगिन द वेरी फर्स्ट मेथड ऑफ एडिशन, दैट इज एडिशन with beads. So basically there are 3 to 4 methods of addition because addition is a primary topic of maths in the initial class like pre-nursery or nursery. So we use a very simple method for the children which is addition using beads. So what is addition basically? Addition is the combination of two or more things to make a larger group or a larger number. So the things which we add together, they are called the addends. वो जो नंबर्स हम ऐड ऑन करते हैं उनको हम एडेंड्स कहते हैं, और जो फाइनल आंसर होता है उसको या तो हम सम कहते हैं या उसका सोल्यूशन कहते हैं या आंसर कहते हैं। अच्छा जी, व्हाट इज द साइन ऑफ एडिशन? बाय द वे, दिस इज द साइन ऑफ एडिशन। ये हम इसको प्लस भी कहते हैं और एडिशन भी कहते हैं। अच्छा जी, दिस इज द वेरी फर्स्ट मेथड, दैट इज एडिशन यूजिंग बीड्स। मैं सिंपल क्वेश्चंस इसलिए बताऊंगी ताकि आप अपने बच्चों को भी अच्छी तरह से एक्सप्लेन कर सकें और आपकी अपनी भी बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो सके। For example, let's take a very simple number, that is 2 plus 1 equals to, we have to find out the answer. Alright, how many, what is this number? This is number 2. What will we do? We will draw 2 small beads under number 2. What is this number? This is number 1. So we will draw how many beads under number 2? Number 1? Only one bead. Now we will count on these two places of beads. This is 1, 2 and 3. It means that 2 plus 1 is 3. This is a very simple way of adding the numbers. Let's take 2 or 3 more examples for your better clarification. ताकि आप लोगों को टॉपिक इजीली समझ में आ जाए। 4 plus 5 and we have to find out the answer. Now what is this number? This is number 4. So we will draw 4 small beads under number 4. What is this number? This is number 5. So we will draw 5 small circles under number 5. Now we will count on these two sets of beads to find out the final answer. So let's count on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It means that the answer of 4 plus 5 is number 9. Okay, let's take 2 or 3 more examples for your clarification. 9 plus 0. 0 means nothing. We will not add anything if there is number 0 in addition sum, because 0 is no number. 0 means nothing. What is this number? This is number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, shall we draw any bead over here? No, because 0 is the number and we will not add anything over here. We will not draw any bead because 0 means nothing. So now we will count on how many total number of beads are over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer of 9 plus 0 is 9. Always remember that whenever the number is 0 and if 0 is added to any number, this number will remain the same because 0 means nothing. We will not add or subtract anything from the main number if the second number is 0. Alright, let's do 2 or 3 examples more for your better clarification. So 3 plus 3. अब हमने इसका आंसर फाइंड आउट करना है कि व्हाट इज द आंसर ऑफ 3 plus 3. नाउ यू टेल मी दैट हाउ मेनी नंबर ऑफ बीड्स डू वी हैव टू ड्रॉ अंडर नंबर 3. शैल वी ड्रॉ 3 or 4 beads? I think we should draw 3 beads. So let's draw 1, 2 and 3 beads. How many beads we will draw over here? 3. Because this number is 3, so we will draw 3 beads over here. Now we will count the total number of beads which have been drawn. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the answer? The answer is number 6. I hope this video will be very helpful for you, for those students who are at the beginning stage and for those mothers who do not know how to explain the concept to their children. So stay tuned, and if you have not subscribed my channel, please like and share my video and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.